My hair is very important to the way I feel about my appearance. I've always had thick and soft hair, but it was always admired by everyone. But recently, I've been using this bio hair regrowth system I've been using it for about 3.5 months. And I'm really starting to notice a difference in the way my hair feels and the way it looks and the way it just, it feels so natural and it blows in the wind. I've even started to see little hairs growing up here, kind of on my forehead area. So I'm noticing that my hairline is even getting thicker by the day. And it's great because I didn't really think that this was going to work. But here's the thing, the restoration treatment that I'm using twice a day, it's really important to use it before bedtime because it makes my hair feel awesome when I wake up in the morning. And the laser massage device that they say to use once a day really helps to kind of like refresh my scalp and, rejuvenate for new hair growth. So I'm really happy and I'm very pleased with the results. I think I would definitely recommend giving it a try.